Hi guys, welcome back. We're back with another video, and in today's video we're going to look at some trades which we actually took today, and I'm going to be explaining how these trades came about and all the confirmations that I had to take these trades. Alright, so the first one is GBPCHF. This was a very good setup. As you can see, we did take that trade right near the low of the day, right? As you all know, we want to take these trades at or near the high of the day or low of the day. So I actually took profits on this one as I was targeting the highs. Right, so basically this is what I saw on GBPCHF. If we go to our daily time frame, you can see it's more clear there. As you can see, we had a hidden base area right there. This is actually a base rally area. If we go to our H4, this is what I saw. Right, so as you can see, price actually came back to this demand area, right? And I loved how price made its way down to that area. All right, so when I moved over to the BTMM view, this is what I saw, right? When I got to my terminal, right? I looked at the divergence, right? As you can see, what our TDI was showing us, right? As you can see, that divergence, right? So we took this trade around this area. Our confirmation is actually a close above 13 EMA, right? So this close right there, as I was expecting to see a setup, as you can see. So here's a pattern, right? So our confirmation would be a close above the 13 EMA. But sometimes these closes above or below the 13 EMA. The 13 EMA, to those who don't know, guys, is this red one, right? That's our exponential moving average, right? So we did have that close above the 13 EMA, as you can see, with a nice pattern, right? So one would have taken a trade right there, right? If you're willing to risk that, still okay. But when we have such candles, what I like doing is I use the fib, right, on this specific candle, and I wait and take an entry in the middle, right? This just helps me, or rather gives me a better setup, better entry in the market with, a tighter stop, right? So we did take that one, as you can see right there, right? That is exactly the point where I took this trade. And as you can see, this trade is moved for over 70 pips, if I'm not mistaken. Took it somewhere here, and I was targeting this high, so we had over 70 pips, right, bagged on this one. So the TDI is also important, right? Another very good element that you need to focus on, as this helps you make better decisions, right? And then we also looked at NZDCAD. All right, this is our entry on NZDCAD, and I'm going to be explaining, as I also added another position, right? We just had CPI a few minutes ago, right? We had CPI, so that actually helped the push, on CAD. So what I saw on NZDCAD was very clear, right? If we start from the higher time frame, this is what I could see, or even the daily. If we move over to the daily, price is actually coming from a supply area, right? As you can see, right at this area, supply area, right? So it's always important to understand where price is coming from, as this will help you make, better decisions in the market, right? So for those who know, I like doing this, right? So as you can see, when I got to my terminal, right, this was the analysis on NZDCAD. As you can see, right, price was around about this area, and I wanted to see this continue moving to the downside, right? So if you can look at it right here, if we take this high right here and this low and use our fib, right, we want to take a trade at or near the 50 and 61.80 level. Right, so with that low, as you can see, 50, 61.80, that is exactly where price made that U-turn. So that was another factor of confluence that I actually identified right here. And we also had an order block. As you can see, we've got a base drop, right? So this was a very good area for us to take that trade. And as you can see, this has already moved. I am targeting right here, right? But I have moved my SL. So we'll see how that plays out. All right, guys, hope you guys learned something from this video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be the first to watch when we upload any new content. If you guys are interested in signals, you can contact me through the links in the description below. You can either do that through WhatsApp or Telegram. Cheers, guys.